The only legit no deposit bonus is what I'm going to show you just right now. You guys have been asking me to talk about the best no deposit bonus, but there is only one no deposit bonus that has been there for you guys, and I'm sure if you follow the link down in my video description, you guys can all sign up on that broker. If you have already an account there on the broker, that's not a problem, guys. But if you are new looking for a 30 USD no deposit bonus, guys, you can go straight into my description and just go and sign up there. They offer a 30 USD no deposit bonus. The reason I'm saying this is that other brokers only offer temporal no deposit bonuses, and they can easily terminate their terms and conditions and all whatever they offer to you. But this broker has been there for about some years now, and I received the no deposit bonus about 3 years ago, and it worked, and it's still working for those people who have just signed up. I have totally referred about 2,000 people on that broker, and nobody have complained about it. But if you guys are new here, make sure that you just turn up on the broker and just sign up, and that bonus is available for all of you guys who are signing up using my link. On the web right now, I am on the ratings of the exam 30 USD no deposit bonus, or just the overall XM broker. XM broker is rated here on their South African reviews 4.5 stars by 27 people, and this is not bad, guys. It's the best broker so far that offers you the best no deposit bonus, and it takes only few minutes for you to sign up, guys, using the link down in the video description, guys. And if you guys like this type of no deposit bonus videos, just make sure that you subscribe to the channel and also give the thumb up to this video in appreciation, guys. If you have any question regarding the no deposit bonuses available, just make sure that you comment down on the comment discussion, so I can respond to whatever question that you just posed. Otherwise, let's meet on another no deposit bonus video.